It's bath time with O and A. They make the sound O. You'll hear the O sound when you play with a toy boat in the bath. Now grab a bar of soap and scrub. Oh no, it's now a big mess, overflowing foam. There's gotta be an O word that can help. How about coal? Okay, I made a wall out of coal, so we can stop the foam from coming through. We reached our goal, which was to stop the overflowing foam. And I just remembered, it's Toast Tuesday. Remember, if there's overflowing soap in your house, you can save the day as long as you have O and A.